Hi, good morning. Hi, it's a beautiful day today. Good morning. It's November 8 or 18, or today is November 18, guys. So update na ating strawberry. Our strawberry today, meron na we have flowers now. And I saw this kind of strawberry. I noticed uh this past few weeks I observed last week. As I can see, as I see the strawberry there. We have some root. I saw the difference, or the what do you call that? The signs of the strawberry is going after going to flowers. So can you see that? I will show you today yung mga strawberry natin na merong ng ano. There is a prospect na we have a flowers na. So ano, as I count this, I think it's five already. Five strawberry mother plant. They have already fruits. They have already we call that the flowers. So can you see, guys? Guys, it's so happy. Today it's November. I think it's the middle of the November. We saw the strawberry. Okay, the strawberry is already starting their fruits. So our update today is strawberry. Meron na siyang, there have some fruits and flowers. Hello, guys. As you can see, guys, this one is all of this one is a mother plant. So can you see this one? Oh? Okay. As I said, there is the one. Oh, the first I noticed na they have flowers. Doon sa dulo ay meron na silang meron na bunga talaga. Hindi ko nakita na meron na siyang flowers. So ito, as I noticed, I saw this one, this is a sign that there is incoming flowers. This is a sign, guys, that our flowers is going on. So yan, if you see this one, the sign, you will see that there is a fruits of strawberry. So that is the one. So we'll go this after. Okay, guys, this is the one, mga mother plant na yan, guys. Yan, mga mother plant na yan. So this is the first what you call that, I see the soil one. I give you this one, guys. So ayan. So you see this sign, this one, meron na rin siya. Ayan, yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, guys. Ganyan yung flowers na. So this one, guys, hindi ko siya na-notice eh. Meron na siyang fruits kaagad talaga, guys. So tingnan nyo. Ayan, ang lalaki na niya. May dumaan na pusa. May pusang gala. So guys, hindi ko siya I have noticed. But this one, guys, is all of this I think by January meron na siyang fruits. So tingnan nyo, guys, build up na yung fruits niya. Ayan, malalaki, medyo malaki na siya. Ayan, guys. So start fruiting na po, guys. So ayan, medyo malaki na yung tube. So as nung nakita natin sa dulo, guys, ay medyo mas malaki na, pero ito mas malaki to. Nauna siyang nag-fruits. So nilagyan natin ng fertilizer, organic fertilizer, guys. Yan na po, yan ang unang magkakahinog. Ika nga, guys, yan po yung unang mahihinog. Ito yung mga katabi niya, medyo na starting so guys, all of this one ay very healthy strawberry. So that's why by the last week of November, the fruits will be called that. So mahihinog na yan, will ripe. Mahihinog na rin po yung strawberry na yan. Hindi pa siguro kalaki yan kasi nga hindi pa malamig ngayon. So guys, yan po yung ating sa mga strawberry. Dito wala pa. Dito yung isang pinakita ko sa inyo, guys, na may start fruiting na. Ayan, ayan. Pinakita sa inyo sa video. This one yung aking nakita. So I notice, ayan po, may build up na po. Buo na yung kanyang fruits. So kailangan natin maglinis na, guys. Ang dami, ang dumi. Ano na. As you can see, guys, ang gaganda na nila. So yan po yung sur. So 1, 2, mga 5 pieces pa lang po yung ating may mga strawberry na hinog. Ayan, di ba? Di ba? Ganda, no? Ayan, grabe guys. Natuwa ako kasi nung nakaraan nilinis ko to siya guys. Hindi ko na notice na mayroon na palang bulaklak. At at the same time, malalaki na rin pala siya. Ayan, oh. Malaki na siya. So nilagyan natin ng konting pataba, fertilizer. So organic. So guys, thank you for watching guys. So I hope you enjoy. So tinanggalan natin yung mga dahon-dahon niya na medyo mga ito na lang po itinira natin para makapag-concentrate lumaki yung bunga natin. So guys, thank you for watching. Yan po ang ating strawberry today. Update. So ito yung mga guys, so mga incoming mother plant guys, magkakaroon na rin po ito ng bulaklak. Ayan o, ito may nauna na rin o. Ayan o. Yung pala, dalawa na pala. So guys, thank you for watching guys. Thank you for watching. Please help my YouTube channel guys. Bye bye. Just like. Bye.